If you're looking for the best oil additive in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 oil additives you can buy this year, covering performance, durability, and real-world benefits. Whether you're driving a car, truck, motorcycle, or even working with heavy-duty equipment, these additives can help extend engine life, reduce wear, and improve performance. All product links are included in the description below. Now, let's get started with the list. Number 1, Motorcoat Hyperlubricant. If you want an oil additive that works with all types of oils, synthetic, semi-synthetic, conventional, or mineral, Motorcoat Hyperlubricant is a top pick. This additive can be used in cars, trucks, lawnmowers, marine engines, agricultural equipment, and even heavy-duty machinery. It increases horsepower, lowers operating temperatures, and reduces engine noise and vibration. The usage instructions are simple. 2 ounces per quart of oil in crankcases, 1 ounce per quart in transmissions, differentials, and power steering systems, and even 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons of hydraulic fluid. What makes it stand out is that it lasts multiple fluid changes and doesn't wash away with water. A great all-around choice for anyone who wants long-lasting protection. Number 2, Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Lucas Oil is a trusted name in automotive care, and their heavy-duty oil stabilizer is one of the world's best-selling oil additives. Made from 100% petroleum, it's designed to reduce friction and wear while also keeping engines cleaner and running smoother. It works in both new and old engines, giving you versatility for any vehicle type. Many professionals swear by Lucas Oil, especially for high mileage cars or engines that need a little extra help under demanding conditions. Available in 1 quart and 1 gallon bottles, it's a great choice if you're looking for something reliable and widely tested. Number 3, Ark Oil AR9100 Oil Additive. Next up is the Ark Oil AR9100, a friction modifier well known for fixing 6.0L and 7.3L power stroke cold start injector problems, a huge plus for diesel owners. It reduces wear, noise, vibration, and heat across diesel and gasoline engines, as well as in gearboxes, differentials, hydraulics, and power steering systems. One 16-ounce jug treats an entire engine, making it both efficient and cost-effective. If you want smoother starts, quieter operation, and longer engine life, Ark Oil is an excellent option. Number 4, Liqui Moly Oil Treatment. Liqui Moly is a German brand with a strong reputation for premium lubricants, and their MoS2 anti-friction oil treatment is no exception. This additive forms a high load-bearing film of lubricant on all friction surfaces, reducing metal-to-metal contact even under extreme conditions. Users often notice their engines running smoother and quieter even at high RPMs. It's universal, works with most oils, and provides extra protection against wear. Perfect if you want a proven European quality product. Number 5, Seafoam Universal Motor Treatment. Last on our list is Seafoam, one of the most versatile and trusted engine treatments available. Unlike some additives that only work in oil, Seafoam can be added to both oil and fuel systems. It cleans injectors, carburetor passageways, intake valves, and chamber deposits. When added to the crankcase, it liquefies harmful residues and deposits while also lubricating upper cylinders. Plus, it stabilizes gas and diesel fuels for up to 2 years, making it a great choice for seasonal vehicles or equipment. Seafoam is safe and effective for any fuel blend and all motor oils, conventional or synthetic. Truly a must-have for all-around engine care. That wraps up our list of the best oil additives in 2025. To recap, we covered Motorcoat Hyperlubricant, best all-around performance; Lucas Oil, heavy-duty stabilizer, trusted and widely used; Ark Oil AR9100, perfect for power strokes and heavy-duty engines. Liqui Moly MOS2 oil treatment, premium anti-friction protection. Seafoam motor treatment, universal cleaner and stabilizer. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.